Fixing USB device not recognized on Windows 11 is very simple. First and foremost, try another USB connection port on your device. Of course, it could be laptop or PC. Normally, they have at least 2 USB ports. So basically, all you have to do is get the USB out and then put it in another port. Now, if that doesn't work, you can also go ahead and click on search and type in Device Manager, then click on it to open it up, and now scroll all the way down until you find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Basically, this is the USB, and now all you have to do is find the USB port right here that the USB is in. Basically, all you have to do is right click on it, then click on Properties, go to Driver and update the driver. Now here you can go ahead and click on Search automatically, but you can also click on Browse my computer for drivers and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Once you do that, it will show up at least one of these, then click on them, select them and click on Next. Now once all of that is done, you can go ahead and check if the USB is recognized right now. Of course, lastly, the USB might be damaged, and in that case, of course, it's a hardware issue. Happy fixing USB not recognized and have fun.